In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to snooze emails in Gmail. This is a handy feature that can help you manage your inbox more effectively, especially when you're trying to focus on urgent tasks without losing track of those important messages that can wait just a little bit longer. First things first, you'll need to open up your Gmail account. Once you're in your inbox, take a moment to find an email that you'd like to snooze. Perhaps it's not urgent now, but you want it to pop back up at a better time when you can give it your full attention. Once you have that email in sight, move your mouse over it. You'll notice that as you hover over the email, a set of action icons appears on the right-hand side. These icons offer several options to manage your emails more efficiently. Now, focus your attention on the clock icon among these actions. This is the snooze function, and it's your key to managing email timing to better suit your schedule. Go ahead and click on that clock icon. Doing so will prompt a small menu to appear. It's from here you can choose a convenient time for the email to return to your inbox, helping you recall it at just the right moment. The menu provides you with several default options like later today, tomorrow, or even next week. These choices offer a quick and easy way to select a specific day or time to remind you of the email. However, if the preset options don't match your needs, you can always opt for more precision. The menu also includes an option labeled Pick Date and Time. By clicking this, you're given full control to select an exact date and a specific time that works best for you. This customization ensures that you're not locked into a preset schedule and can tailor your email reminders to perfectly fit your personal or professional agenda. And with that selection, you're all set. The email will temporarily disappear from your inbox and reappear at the chosen time. This feature not only helps keep your inbox tidy, but significantly aids in prioritizing your tasks without losing track of important messages. It's one of those simple yet efficient tools that can transform the way you manage your daily correspondence, ensuring you're always on top of what's important when it's important. Remember, taking the time to manage your inbox with features like Email Snooze can greatly enhance your productivity and minimize the distraction of having too many unread messages. I hope you find this feature as helpful as I do, and that it assists you in maintaining a more organized and stress-free email experience. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.